As part of life sciences manufacturing, logbooks need to be maintained to ensure good manufacturing practices regulations. Maintaining logbooks is a highly manual, paper-based process with problems including GDP errors, missed scheduled events, deviations, and incorrect information. ProcessX makes logging cleaning activities a breeze by enabling GXP-compliant digitalization in a manufacturing environment. Meet manufacturing technician Casey and his teammates. They have just arrived for their shift, ensuring the important cleaning tasks of the manufacturing rooms are spotless and contaminant-free. On the staging area's tablet, Casey opens the ServiceNow app to view the ProcessX intuitive dashboard, which displays completed and open tasks to be worked. They head into the room to perform the cleaning. Once finished, Casey goes back into the ServiceNow app to complete the cleaning execution task. Here, he can view recent activity, enter comments describing the cleaning, and even upload a photo to document the work. And with a simple click, the task is complete. Back on the ProcessX dashboard, Casey can select the assigned approval task and easily sign using the click of a button. Jay, the manufacturing supervisor, can then view the status of the cleaning activities and the average cleaning duration for their assigned area. The streamlined ProcessX dashboard provides quick access to assigned tasks. With the previous cleaning task complete, Jay can review the notes and attachments Casey made when completing the cleaning. Then add comments before entering his e-signature for approval. For ease of access, ProcessX also provides a single sign-on approval option. Cleaning logbooks, along with many other ProcessX workflows, are implemented, validated, and maintained leveraging USDM's cloud assurance, providing continuous compliance during changes and upgrades to maintain an audit-ready state. Contact us for more information on how ProcessX can help streamline your manufacturing operations.